Our problem with Lukashenko is that he took sides in the war, just like we did, and we damned everyone that stayed neutral. Special advisor to the commander of Ukraine's army, Dan Rice, just told CNN that Russia is trying to get to the negotiating table to try to go back to the 2014 lines, but Ukraine won't have it. Why don't we start peace talks for a deal based on a version of Minsk II agreement, a text that was mediated by the French and the Germans? We know this war could have been avoided, and peace talks are an option. But our leaders choose war, even when we know that the majority of the Europeans do not want war. We tabled an amendment in the last plenary, and we called for the EU and member states to explore all options for a peace deal and to try to end the war. It was defeated, 436 votes to 118 against peace. Whose interest are these warmongers serving? Commissioner, you say that the people of Belarus don't want war. I agree with you 100%, but I think the people all across Europe don't want war. This war, it might suit US and NATO. It does not suit the people of Europe. We should be working for peace.